to get receipt from PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get receipt from your PayPal account. So first of all you have to do is just open your preferred browser, and on the search bar just simply search for PayPal, and after that just click on the first link that you will see on the top. You can also use the PayPal application in your mobile device if you have it. If you don't have it, just you can use it on the web version as well, as I'm showing you right here. And after that, just simply log into your account if you already have an account on PayPal. If you don't have an account, just simply click on sign up and create an account for yourself. And after that, just use your credentials to log in into your account. And once you're there logged in into your account, in order to get the receipt from the PayPal of the past payment that you have done in the past or the payment that you have received, you need to click on the help center right there at the top right hand side of the screen. And over here under the search question and keyword topics, just simply click on receipt and just click on enter. And over here you will be able to see bunch of the articles. You will see bunch of articles related to the same query that you are looking for. If you don't find the solution for your receipt problem that you are facing in your PayPal account, you can go ahead and talk to the customer support in order to get the receipt of your payment invoice. So in order to contact the customer support, just simply scroll down and click on message center right here and click on ask PayPal assistant. And over here, just type your problem regarding the receipt that you want to receive from your PayPal account. And after that, the PayPal assistant team and customer support will reach out to you and help you regarding receiving your receipt from your PayPal account quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to get receipt from your PayPal account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.